You know, there are times when the market closes lower but sends a clear buy signal, and I think today was one of those sessions. Major indices, of course, opened lower. This after the U.S. Trade Representative outlined the first tariff salvo against unfair China trade practices. Now, ironically, the market put in the bottom when the news broke that China was issuing $50 billion in retaliatory tariffs on U.S. goods. In fact, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, which, by the way, has the greatest exposure to their profits from a prolonged trade skirmish with China, rebounded almost 200 points from the low of the session. The Dow, of course, continues to lag these other major indices, which I think is a reflection also of the strong dollar, slowing global economic growth, and, of course, there's some trade anxiety there as well. But these companies, on average, have been around for 100 years, and the very vast majority of them will get back on track. So I want you to watch out for your technical buy signal. 25,335. A close above there, I think, is where we pick up enough momentum to get back and test the all-time high. Now, a big theme in the market this week, in fact, for the past several months, the return of the consumer. Consumer discretionary up 2% this week. Consumer staples up 1.4%. And the key, of course, in the market now is pricing power. I always talk about this. Earlier in the week, we saw a monster retail sales report. And then this morning, of course, that consumer sentiment number came in much stronger than expected. Moreover, that survey saw a record number of households that now point to recent income gains. Remember, this is a record. It means that those long-awaited wage gains could now be coming in very strong. Businesses are seeing this, and they are beginning to raise their prices. And again, the ability to do that and not have a huge loss or any loss in volume is the ultimate buy signal. Remember when Netflix announced that they were increasing their prices last October and all the experts said the stock would suffer? Well, this year it's up 104%. Amazon, remember that one? Their new price increases just went into effect last month. That stock hasn't really missed a beat. This week it was Etsy, up yesterday, in fact, 28% up for the week. This after they announced price increases. Meanwhile, though, on the other end of this, you have value investors who keep bidding up these consumer staple names where the fundamentals haven't really changed, but a lot of these stocks are cheap and they pay a hefty dividend. So I'm looking for these trends to continue. I'm working on a special report. I'm going to have 3 consumer names for you that I think have major upside from here. So make sure you go to wstreet.com. Get that report to be ready by Monday. Also, every day, the free commentary.